team, the Red Arrows! Red 1 leads the aircraft over in big battle formation, the patriotic red, white and blue smoke flowing behind. As they pull to the vertical, Red 1 calls them into short diamond. And roll calls Red 1 as the aircraft go upside down, a distinctive Apollo shape, the smoke trailing behind. On the right of Red 1, Concorde pulling to the vertical. As they approach the vertical, the call will come, the formation will change as they go over the top of the loop into Cygnet. There at the top of the loop, Red 1 has brought the aircraft into Cygnet formation. He'll complete the loop before twisting it to the left in the Cygnet present. On the right of Red 2 is another new... Upside down at 2,500 feet in the Lancaster roll. Now some of you may think the Lancaster was not aerobatic, but the famous test pilot Alex Henshaw reputedly rolled the Lancaster several times in England whilst testing them during the war. On the left wing tip of 9, rolling around the rest of the formation. Red 1 about to bank the aircraft to the left, changing smoke colour as they go. It's Tornado. Well, that's Tornado.
Do me a favor.
And pulling up calls Red 1, 7 aircraft pulling to the vertical, about to make a beautiful palm tree. As the 7 aircraft draw the palm tree above us, Red 6 and 7 staying low, the coloured smoke changing to white. Reds 8 and 9 pulling to the vertical, Red 6 and 7 forward, back to fly straight down the middle in the boost. Red 6 and 7, the synchro pad, all white smoke on as they pull over the top of the heart. We would like to dedicate the heart today to all the lovely people here in New York who have made the team feel so welcome. Now look up to the top right. Here comes Red 8, his smoke on. He's going to spear the heart. Aircraft pulling to the vertical. He's about to feed in the right roll as they approach the top. They'll be easing over the top at 150 miles an hour, ready for the vertical break. Break, break, go, calls Red 1 as they enter the vertical break.
Beautiful. Right through the clouds. Right through the cloud. That was awesome. That was really awesome.
As they go in the carousel. Red and blue smoke comes on, red 6 and 7, putting 7G towards each other. As they cross at the back of the circle, the smoke colour will change, leaving a red and blue half of the circle.
Smell the smoke, right?
To bring them around to the right, swinging out like a pendulum. In the Red Arrows, we normally fly with even numbers on the right, odd numbers on the left, while Red 1 is about to push the aircraft into reverse battle. Operating the smoke using 3 buttons on the control stick, timed once again by Red 1's voice and his cadence. As he aboard for Reds 8 and 9, the coloured smoke on as they roll around 6 and 7. Red 8 with the red smoke is Flight Lieutenant Chris Linden-Smith. He's previously flown the Tornado GR4, instructed on the Hawk, and he's flown on the Red Arrows as Reds 2, 4, 6, 7, 5 and 8. 3, the signal for 4 and 5 to roll. Red 6 and 7 for the last. Gentlemen, you've been watching the Red Arrows! Well, ladies and gentlemen, I have just heard from Red 1. He has some smoke left. He has some fuel left. Would everyone like to see one more flyby? We're going to have to do better than that. Would everyone like to see one more flyby?
Yeah!
That's more like it. Those cameras ready. In tribute to all of those in the US who have made us feel so welcome, ladies and gentlemen, look out to the left-hand side for the Stars and Stripes break.
The 2019 New York Airshow right here at New York's Stewart International Airport. County Executive appreciates the support of everyone who helped bring, whose name is Stephen and Newhouse, hopes that you enjoy the show. Our thanks to Stephen and Newhouse. Pratt & Whitney proud to power military aircraft for the U.S. and its allies. We salute the servicemen and women who bravely defend our freedom at home and abroad. Pratt & Whitney, go beyond. Tonight, we're all going to be down at Orange County Choppers. Orange County Choppers, the cafe.